Alright, welcome back ladies and gentlemen to the Chupacabra tutorials channel. I'm your host Larry, and today I'm going to show you where to get the blueprint for the wall rack. Why do we like the wall rack? Because you can do things like place items in it, or anything you really want to display, honestly. And if you have a lot of these storage bins from the beginning of the game, you can also use them as a spot to dock them. There's a whole lot of reasons why the wall rack is kind of handy to have, and I'm going to show you where to get it here today. So we're going to start things out here by the life pod, and we're going to start by going to the northeast, somewhere around 30. And what we're looking to do is there's a little coral shelf just behind this piece of wreckage here. And up along this shelf on top of one of the boxes is the first fragment that we need to scan for the wall rack. So the first one is right here. You can scan the wall rack, and this particular piece of technology has 3 pieces to it. You're going to need 3 blueprints in order to complete it. The next fragment we're going to go to is just on the other side of this big coral, still going towards the northeast, towards 60, and this one is here on top of this little shard of metal. Give that a scan. And then after that, we're going to go sort of to the west, maybe around 300, sort of closer to northwest. And what we're looking for is this platform right here that is right next to this vortex. So once we get over here, we'll be able to swim down and scan that, and that is all 3 pieces that we need in order to complete the wall rack. And then the wall rack, when you want to build it, requires titanium and also some copper. So that'll be it for this one, ladies and gentlemen. I've been your host, Larry. This has been a look at where to get the wall rack blueprint inside of Subnautica 2. I hope you found this helpful, and I'll catch you next time. Bye, everybody, and have a good one.